Welcome back, and in today's video, I'll guide you through the process on how you can superscript on Canva. So the first step is to add your text. So you can choose to add a heading, a subheading, or a paragraph. And then let's say we type in the letter A. So now we can scale this up to a reasonable size or to whatever option you want to use. Then the next step is to add another bit of paragraph. So let me just press T, type in the letter 2, and then scale it up to whatever size I would like. Then once you've scaled up the 2, place it right next to the letter A, and you can just increase or decrease the size of the scale. It's up to you. Then the next step is to group them together. To do this, you can select one, then press on Ctrl and then select both of them at the same time, or you can just highlight both options and then select group. Once they've been grouped, you can just drag the objects around the screen. So no matter what you select, you can just drag it around. So you also have the option of duplicating it. So you can just click on it, then Ctrl C, next to it Ctrl V, then you should see you've copied it exactly. So now from here, you can customize this to say B. Then you can also change the 2 to say a 6. You can change this to 6. So that's how you can superscript on Canva. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.